Hey guys, I have a question about my YZ250F. When it started, there's like a clicking sound, and it's always there. You don't really notice it when it's at high RPM. It's just because you don't hear it. I don't know if it still does it, but we'll see. I'll let you guys listen to it. Maybe you guys can help me. This is the sound right here. I don't know if you guys can hear that out well, but when it started, there's like a click in the engine. It sounds like it's coming from like this area right here. I've looked it up, and it could be a piston slap or cam chain guide or something like that. It's just been a while since, like, I've never heard it or anything, so, and it's been doing this for a while, and I don't know what it could be. So if you guys could help me and just leave down in the comment section below, it'd be really appreciated. Thanks.